This is Gary Davidson. I have the real estate practice group here at Castle Law. Short sales. What a short sale is a property that is offered by a seller who is behind on their mortgage payments for less than the amount to pay off the mortgage. It is not of right. You have to be behind on your mortgage payments, generally a minimum of 90 days. Number two, you have to qualify. You have to show a hardship. You have to show that you've lost your job, that you've incurred major medical expenses taking care of yourself or a loved one, or some other economic crisis that you don't reasonably have a likelihood of changing in the near term. And then and only then will a bank consider you for a short sale. Because you see, when the bank loans you $100,000, their expectation is they receive that $100,000 back. And if they're not going to receive that $100,000 back, you need to paint a picture that giving them 80,000 is going to be their best case scenario for getting any money back. So short sales are something that investors, buyers will want to look for opportunities. And it's something, if you're in a situation where you can't sell your home, that you might consider reaching out to us and inquiring about short sales. We have a full-time short sale paralegal. Our average close time on short sales is about 60 days. The reason that most times we hear horror stories about short sales is because we all have a desk full of work to do, or we have a garage full of work to do, or whatever you might happen to do for a living. But what happens is when short sales are not your primary thing, that tends to get put to the background and the attorney does it later, the realtor does it later. But for us, we have a person that's dedicated all day, every day. That is what they do.